Alright, here's the Champion dual fuel 100155 generator. This is the one that's sold at Costco. I don't know, I bought it a few months ago. Don't remember even how much I paid for it. I think it was 500 bucks. Put the wheels on it today and got it all hooked up. We got some fuel in it, so this will be its third start, but you can kind of see how it starts, and it's pretty nice. It's fairly quiet. I have a Yamaha inverter generator, and it's slightly louder than that, but it's not as quiet as maybe a Honda 2000 inverter. So, but it's, you know, you're talking 9,000 peak watts, so running on the gasoline. Anyways, here we go. It's electric start. We turn that on here. Turn the start button on. We're gonna go over here and set the choke over here. Come back. Got a charge port here. All the sockets you really ever need. Hook your RV up to it. Regular 110. I think you can even hook up a well pump. That's 240. Once again, the Champion 100155 generator.